On. This is what we have here. This is my afro, my stakeouts, let me get my comb. I want to leave it this way, but I do look crazy. So I'm going to comb it out to try and get a full head of afro. Wide tooth comb. Very, very important. Still my river. Always remember to start from the tip before dragging your roots from the tail. I missed one. I had my 4 locks in for maybe up 0 to a month, maybe 3 weeks on some days, I guess. This is my hair, it's growing. I can't seem to save myself, I swear. I'm trying to bring it together so I can have a mini afro. Who needs wig? Who needs afro wig? Oh, you have natural hair. This is one of the major benefits. Now imagine this all in purple. Purple. You're going to love it. I promise you guys. You're going to love it. This is the back of my hair. We are done. This is everything we lost. This is normal. No hair, you go still lose some dead ends. I'm going to change the color of my hair to purple, then deep condition the hair and show you guys everything. Subscribe to my channel, click the link in my bio to subscribe to my channel, and you're going to enjoy your stay here, I promise. Well, I'll try, I swear. So thank you for coming to my takedown video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching me create this afro. Bye.